Hello everyone, today I'll talk about how to add extension on your Google Chrome on PC. AdBlocker is very effective extension to block the ads that appear on your laptop or PC. Before going towards video, subscribe our channel Haqeeqat and press the bell icon button. Click on three dots on the corner of the Google Chrome. Then go to the More Tools and Extension. Open this. You see here I add extension, IDM and other extension. We want to prevent ads on YouTube. Go to the extension menu and open the Chrome Web Store. When Chrome Web Store is opened, search here AdBlocker to prevent bad ads on your PC. Here different extensions are open. Add this extension to your Chrome browser. Click on Add and here open the notification add extension to Chrome. Click on add extension. After some time this extension added to your Chrome browser. This extension is very useful to prevent ad blockers. You see here on my Chrome browser ad blocker is updated and now this extension is block the irrelevant. Now this extension prevent the irrelevant ads and block these ads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.